part 2 of my shed fence project is the shed. I have leveled and put paving stones down for the entire floor, and I'm starting with the front 2 corner posts. I have most of the frame up, a couple of little short pieces up top to have something to fasten siding to, and a board I'm going to put across the bottom to help strengthen my fence a little bit. All the framing is up. I have my little wind block or my baffle, and now I have started putting up siding. Pretty decent day's worth of work. Thing is coming right along. All I have left is this corner, this side, and the door. All right, that's all finished up. Doors installed and latched. Started putting a few small shelves inside. Now I'll put some more over here on this side, some down along the bottom, and start moving items from the garage into the shed. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.